Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to save Gmail emails locally on your Windows PC. So, here are the steps to save Gmail emails locally on your PC. Just turn on your PC and sign in to your Windows. Open a web browser. You can use the Chrome or Edge or any browser you prefer to. Then go to the gmail.com and sign into your Gmail account. Open the email you want to save. Click the three dots more icon in the top right corner of the email. Choose the print options from the menu. In the print window, click the destination. Then choose Save as PDF and click the Save button. Choose a folder on your PC, for example, Documents or Desktop, perhaps. Rename the file if needed. Then click Save again. You can repeat the steps for other emails you want to save locally. And then open the saved PDF to confirm the email was saved successfully. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.